Oh, you guys got soaked. You better get out of there.
You guys are cracking me up.
The car needs to be charged up. Careful.
I see you're very wet.
You're wet?
Yes.
How'd you get wet? What happened? Hey, Sissy drove me through the sprinkler?
Again!
Do it again, Alex. Let me see. I didn't see it. Let me see it.
Get on.
Let me see it, because I didn't see it.
No.
All right, Ava, go by yourself.
Look at that face.
Watch out!
Now, how was it?